You ever thought about having your house showing up on Google Street View might be an invasion of your privacy? Even revealing too much about where you live? You may even had your vehicle in the driveway with a license plate exposed. I have too. That's why I did something about it and had Google blur my house so it was unrecognizable. You can do this too, so let me show you how. First, open Google Maps using your favorite web browser on your computer. Just go to google.com/maps. Then enter in the upper left-hand corner the address of your house. This is not going to be my house, but it's going to be an example of a house. Okay, so you get to your house after you enter there, and you can see there's some cars in the driveway, and there's the house. What you do is you go to the bottom far right corner, and there's a little orange man. This is the location of the house right here. You take that little man and you drag it all the way up to where your house is. So you might want to make that a little bigger by hitting the plus sign. Okay, now that the little man has gone on to that property, now you have the full street view there. Next, go to the three dots up in the upper left-hand corner here in that black rectangle, and then click on Report a Problem. Now you have options for blurring a face, my home, a car a license plate, or a different object. I'm just going to click my home, and then what you do is see this red square there? You just put it so it covers all the home. After that, you type in your email address below, and then there's a CAPTCHA that you'll have to work through, and then hit the submit button at the bottom. And then probably within a week later or so, your house will show up as blurred. Now, you do also have an option to blur your car's license plate too, and you can go back and do that later. Hopefully this has been helpful. This has been your cybersecurity tip of the week. Everyone, please stay safe and secure until we see you next time.